G'day YouTube, JB from Oz here. Bit of a workshop update tonight. This is a project that I showed on Instagram, but here's just a couple of photos of it here. Creating a duct for the fan over the lathe to pull away some of the nasty, smelly, smoky stuff. So that's a good one there. I've still yet to put it back in the wall, but that job's done. Also tried my hand at a little bit of carpentry. Had to fit a couple of I guess they're rebate locks into the French doors that we put in, and so basically just a bit of chisel work, trying to keep it nice, hopefully not too much fill afterwards, and in the end these turned out pretty nice. And also tonight I spent a little bit of time working on the Sieg X3 mill, just basically stripping down and a bit more inspection. Tonight I've covered off on the Y-axis stepper motor ball screws, and I've also ordered in some of this Moroso engine block filler. The goal there is to put that inside the head, and that should help to dumb down some of the resonant frequencies, because it's quite a thin casting in the head. The column I'm sure will be really rigid, but this is just a bit of belt and braces to try and give this the best chance of serving me really well. So thanks for joining me, and thanks to all my new subscribers, and if you like this, please like, share and subscribe. Catch you soon. So a quick bit of time on the Sieg mill whilst I have a 3D print running for another project. That's looking really nice. So I pulled the ball screws out of the carriages, so now it's a question of clean and inspect. The ball screws themselves feel pretty tight. There is one issue on this coupling. I've never really been a big fan of these spring type couplings, and as you can see here it's gotten a bit of deformation. Quite how that translates into backlash is possibly more to do with the spring inside or something. Ideally we'd have that shaft mounted flat, square and perpendicular to the direction of travel. So maybe putting all this on the inspection table and just seeing if or how far out of square these various brackets are. If we can bring them into square so that we know that we're on the right shaft axis, that might be what we need to do. But there's definitely some dirt, if nothing else, that we need to clean off. So I'm going to start there. Okay, so a little bit of clean. Got rid of the oil. I haven't mic'd up these bearings, but they feel rock solid. The ball screw also feels pretty rock solid. There's a bit of rock on these plates, so I'm likely to just do a bit of a stone firstly. Make sure I can mount the stepper perpendicular to the axis. Check run out on the end of the stepper motor, and try and avoid using one of these if I at all can. I really don't like these, but we may not have a choice. Anyway, thanks heaps for watching, and we'll catch you next time when we do some more cleaning of parts.